In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images from text using Adobe Firefly. Okay, so this is a paid tool, but you can have free trial to use using some credits. I like it because it's going to give you some very qualitative images. So let's take a look at some of the images. So you can go ahead and describe what you want to generate from here in terms of whether it is an image or it is a video or a vector. Okay, so let's say you have to log in with your username and password and just go ahead and generate. So let me show you what I have created. I asked it to generate the image of a lion walking on a PC, and this is what it has given me. Take a look at the quality of the video. Very, very superb, very nice and interesting. You can see, and you can go ahead and download this if you're interested in downloading. Very, very nice images that you can use for your content creation. So this is the first option. I gave it another prompt: generate the image of a cat driving a car, wearing a hat and sunglasses, and take a look at how superb this image is. The cat is really wearing the sunglasses and is enjoying the hat, and it's really driving very nicely. You can see, very, very interesting. And the quality of the picture actually is what actually made me go for Adobe Firefly. Okay, so but like I said, it's not a paid plan. This is not a completely free plan. You can have the individual plan, the student and teachers plan, and then if you're going for the team plan, you can still have it as well. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.